Knightmate Chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to checkmate your opponent's knight. In this variant, the role of king and knight are switched. Place kings where the knights normally start, and a knight where the king normally starts. The knight moves like a knight, except that it may not move into check, and it must escape check as if it were a king. Kings do not get checked. They move like a normal king, but the check rule doesn't apply to them. Kings can be captured like any other piece. Pawns are allowed to promote to a king if you wish, but they may not promote to a knight. You are allowed to castle with the knight using the exact same rules as normal chess. The first player to checkmate their opponent's knight wins.